Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom, or maybe not very bottom, in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be transferred to this section, this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, in my case, 31 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got basically two different ways of checking some further details. So you can either tap inside this general graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the whole screen time in particular days of the week, so you can check it by tapping on them. Of course, I do not have any kind of records. However, if you've got ones, you will be able to compare them. And of course, you can check the time you've spent on particular on particular apps. Just in my case, the app is settings. Or you can simply tap on particular app, so for example the camera settings, the Chrome, in order to check the dashboard connected only with this one app. So this is, I would say, more detailed analysis. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.